Hi, this is Litre Toolbox Plus. There we have a 2015 Holden Cruze, stock number 6184. This ran from the 3rd 2013 to the 1st 2017. It has an A16 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the A16 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.